it's Heather again, and well, I just came back, well I didn't just come back, I came back last week from doing my Silver Duke of Edinburgh with the school, and our group decided to film what happens during Duke of Edinburgh. So we've got a few tips for you for your Duke of Edinburgh experience. Number 1, stay positive.
My blister does now not hurt since I put a compete on it at lunch. I feel good.
Number 2, sharing is best.
Heather has just arrived for her lunch. The group are happily sitting eating. We happily share together as one, as we are united as a source.
Number 3, don't leave any tracings behind.
Rebecca is finding out.
Oh no! Oh, I see it!
Number 4, don't give in to temptation.
Heather and Jen.
Failing to resist temptation.
Number 5, keep smiling. Number 6, dancing and singing is a must.
Silver! Always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe in. For the first time, I'm just about 10:30. For the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's raining men.
Number 7, peeing in nature, easy peasy.
I think we'll go right back. Why don't we just all look different now?
2:06 and the expedition participants are going away to pee.
We need to urinate. See that? It's Guys, how much this burst with? I'm gonna pee myself here.
Sheena, come show your toilet roll.
And number 8, my top tip for life.
Because if I didn't poo, I'd be constipated, and if I constipated, then I'll die.
So we had a lot of fun filming our Duke of Edinburgh and doing our Duke of Edinburgh. So I recommend doing your Duke of Edinburgh, and to help you on the way, follow these tips. Even though we didn't do all of them, we had fun anyway. I hope you guys are having a nice week and all, and enjoyed this video, and that's all. Bye!